I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're in the kitchen making a dish that I have made for years, and I actually learned how to produce down in Costa Rica. It's coffee-brined chicken. Yes, I'm using coffee and chicken together. You're gonna love it. It's quick and easy, but let's make a brine very quickly. So, some water, of course, and it looks like a lot of water, but again, remember, I'm doing a lot of chicken here today. Of course, sugar and salt, that's a must. It's up to you. I like the coarse ground brown sugar. Oh, yeah. Mix this all together, and I bring it to a boil, and I take it off the stove, and I just let it cool. I have my chicken. I have my sealable bag here, and I'm just about ready to start going. All right, so I have my brine. It is something else. And I love these mocha pots. I have my coffee. Oh yeah, come on. There we go. Now to this, we're gonna add, maybe you better look the other way when I do this. Smashed garlic. How many times do I always say, never smash the garlic? But yes, we're gonna smash it. I'm going against everything I say, but that's okay. All right, it's gonna go in here and we're not really gonna worry about it. So in this resealable bag, let's get that bag open and get it ready. My garlic, peppercorns, a bay leaf, a couple of bay leaves. Yes, the bay leaves will make a difference. And a little bit of onion. Just slice the onion. You can quarter the onion. I want some flavor out of that onion. I just can't stick the whole onion in there. So that's good enough, just like that. And it looks like a lot of onion, but it's really not. I used a small onion. You can also put some herbs in here now. I'm going to work with a little bit of thyme later on, but we don't need to do that. Not right now. There we go. There's our mixture. Now, let's place our chicken in this resealable bag. And I know it looks like this is not difficult at all to do, and it's really not, but you really need to marinate. Let's talk about that because a lot of people don't understand. You say, oh, well, I'll put it in there and let it sit for a half an hour and that's it. No, it needs to really just soak up everything. When I mean soak up everything, soak up all those juices. And heck, I have a little extra coffee. I may even put more coffee in there. Now, I have experimented with adding coffee grinds and coffee beans to this. I kind of like that. But some people don't like that little grit that you get on the chicken. So, that's up to you. I'm not going to waste the coffee at all. I like a lot of coffee in there. And I did a strong brew. All right, seal this up. We'll put it in the refrigerator and we'll fire up that grill. All right, we've let this chicken sit overnight because I like more time. Yes, more time for the chicken. The coffee-brined chicken. Let's take this out. Strain it. I do want some of the juice on there still. And put it right on top of that grill. Oh yeah. And I'm not going to worry about a little onion being on here or something like that. It's not going to hurt it. And just strategically place your thighs. Did we even talk about thighs? Yes, I like the chicken thighs better than I like the chicken breast. Drumsticks will work, no problem at all. And let's just let that simmer. Well, it's not simmering, is it? No way. Right on that grill, and oh my. Already, you can see the caramelization right here from that coffee. That's just what we wanted. That brine is just perfect. It's going to give this chicken so much flavor. I don't know, maybe, let's check it after about 6 or 8 minutes. Coffee-brined chicken, an old family recipe from Costa Rica. I just love it. Look at all these fresh herbs I brought. So, I think I'm going to put some of those on there and have a little bit of oregano on here also. Come on, be creative. Just look at this. It's delicious. It's not hard to prepare at all. And the flavor, oh, it's something everyone's going to remember. Serve it with some nice side dishes, maybe some crispy potatoes, a little rice. It's up to you. My coffee-brined chicken is going to be on your table very soon, I hope. I know it's going to be on mine. Brought to you by Hen House Markets.